It's time to take a look at what's happening on the NDTV Toyota Keep Our Hills Alive campaign. There's a reason why Himachal Pradesh is called the apple basket of the country. It's because most of the indigenous apples you buy in your local market are likely to be from there. And for apples to grow, of course, they need very cold temperatures. But in the last few years, climate change has meant many changes for the apple industry as well, with owners having to move to higher altitudes. Kashish takes a look at what this means.
You know the juicy apples you buy in your local market? Well, they are most likely from Himachal Pradesh. Because apple growing needs chilling hours, and what better place for that than Himachal? That explains why 60% of the country's apple produce comes from here. In other words, a whopping 21 lakh tons of apples are grown here, especially in Shimla and Kinnaur districts. The state earns 2,000 crores of revenue from its apple production. For the people here, it's a way of life. But climate change in the last few years has not spared the apple orchards. Imagine, last year the temperature was 5 degrees above normal in the state, and that has meant havoc for the production of apple. Orchard owners are naturally worried, especially the ones at lower altitudes. The apples, which have traditionally ripened in chilling temperatures for at least 2 months, now barely get a month's chilling hours. While many have tried to move to higher altitudes, those who are unable to have been contemplating other crops.
जिस क्षेत्र में पहले सेब होता था, जो लोअर एलिवेशन है, अब नहीं हो रहा है, तो वो लोग बाकी फसलें ग्रो कर रहे हैं. ऑफ सीजन वेजिटेबल है, प्लम है ना, कीवी है, बादाम है, तो वो कर रहे हैं.
उपजाऊ तो नहीं रहती है क्योंकि केमिकल फर्टिलाइजर बहुत ज्यादा डालते हैं.
The sprouting of few cold storage facilities in the recent years have brought some amount of hope to the apple farmers. These refrigerated warehouses owned by big companies have totally eliminated the role of middleman and buy the apple directly from the farmers at market rates. Farmers say this has helped mitigate the impact of climate change to some extent, as it allows them to regulate the prices and sell their crop all year around.
It's the end of the apple season here in Himachal, and at the moment, the big concern for every apple orchard owner is to get these boxes out as soon as possible and send them to various domestic markets across the country. But should the number of cold storage facilities actually increase in the neighboring areas, they would be able to get a far better price for these apple boxes, including in the off-peak season.
And that's why the recent notification of FDI in multi-brand retail has only given orchard owners another ray of hope. But naturally, there are some concerns as well. After all, nearly 2 lakh families in the state are connected to apple farming in one way or the other. Once these warehouses start dictating the prices, they could simply spiral out of control. For those farmers whose produce gets damaged because of the inadequate chilling hours, they may not even be able to cover their costs. In Rohru, with Kashish, Hina Gambhir for NDTV.
India's #1 news app just got even better. Download NDTV's new app. Fully optimized for retina display. Full screen view. Faster response time. And Sudoku. NDTV's new iPad app. Download now.